Earlier this week, Bubble hosted an inaugural live stream to celebrate the release of the new responsive engine. Here are my 5 takeaways from the live stream. Number 1, accessibility. It seemed to be a key word throughout their presentation, and I believe that it comes in 2 flavors. There is accessibility for bobblers. The purpose of the demo was to show how non-techie people can build clean and uniform layouts without knowing any CSS. And then there's accessibility for Bubble app users. The move to Flexbox, which is a web standard way of laying out page content, means that your apps will behave in a much more predictable manner, and it's more closely aligned to a common web standard. Number 2 is speed and control. This was one of the things that a team member said they were most excited about, and it comes with the introduction of Flexbox. If you've ever worked with any CSS, you know that you can right-click on a website and view the browser's element inspector and add your own CSS to trial. Well, that's become easier with the introduction of Flexbox, and it's something that I've been doing already with repeating groups to achieve like a Pinterest-like layout compared to like a grid with just a few lines of code. Number 3 is that the process of building the new responsive engine, the Bubble team said, has shaped the way that they approach product development in the future. They talked about the importance of developing as a team and listening to user feedback. And I think we've seen as the Bubble community how busy the Bubble forum has been around the new responsive engine, and how receptive and how quick the Bubble team have been in taking in feedback and taking on board user comments. Number 4, the new responsive engine sets a strong foundation. They're working on making fonts and colors a frictionless experience for app builders. Possible future features we might see is app-wide color schemes and the ability to update typography across your whole web app in just a few clicks. And lastly, they mentioned that they're now ready to invest in front-end performance. And this means a boost to SEO because we're bringing those page load times down, and a reduction in frustration that users might experience. And number 5, native mobile apps, Bubble apps on iOS and Android. So the team admitted that they talk about it a lot and that they understand that it is a highly requested feature. But they then went on to stress that although they are actively investigating the best way, if there is a best way of bringing Bubble to mobile, they stress that their goal is to help people build any web app that they want. So there we have it. That's my wrap up of Bubble's first ever live stream. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Planet No Code for more Bubble news and Bubble tutorials. We have much more coming for you in the future.